Guys, welcome for another video. Today, we are building a Lego Transformer. Okay guys, so we gotta put it back into the oven. A mech. Today we're building a Lego Transformer. It's gonna be a long way to build. Remember last time when I built a Lego Transformer? This one I upgraded my Lego Transformer. These are all of the pieces we need. Woo! Do the same to the other side. As you can see now, you have to do the same to the other side. Like this. Then add. And then do to the other side. 2. Then do the same to the other side. This usually looks normal. It's not normal. And then put this. Then to make the hands, you'll do this. Then add. Wait a minute. Okay. And then add this little guy inside here. Let's go. Inside here. And do the same to the other side. Then add it just like this. You could just build this by yourself if you wanted to. Then add this. Right there, I already connected it. Then this black thing. Then just wait. Add this little guy here. Do the same to the other side. same to the other side. We're halfway to building it. Now for the legs. Where's the... oh. You pretty much do the same to the hands. Except for this. And I pretty much know you know what to do. Yep. Do the same to the other side. Then add them in the back. Just like so. Then Pulsa, a Lego transformer. Then how it transforms, take off the hands, and then the usual head. Then do this. Then, oh no, oh no, oh no. Move down with that. Take off the other hand. Crumple. Just wait. Down. Then for the tiny bits, connect that over there. Then put same to the other side. Just wait. Ta-da! To fully transformed. Show you how to make this. In the next video, I'll show you how to make that. So bye guys, that's all for today. I hope you like this video. Be sure this kind of. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe like I always usually say. Bye guys. I hope you have a great night, or in the other countries it's daytime. So bye guys.